Everybody has a birthstone, and today we're going to go over what your birthstone is and what that means for you. If you're a Capricorn or early Aquarius, your birthstone is garnet. Bold, grounding, and passionate. January babies have a very dry sense of humor and a deep loyalty to those who they trust. You are driven, extremely loyal, and a natural protector. You are also ambitious, disciplined, and resilient. Carry garnet when you need an energetic recharge or a boost, or want help manifesting your long-term goals. In meditation, garnet can help ground you, especially during chaotic times. Okay, my Pisces and late Aquarius babes. You are intuitive, spiritual, and sometimes you live in a fantasy world, and I love that for you. Use amethyst during journaling or carry it with you through your day to help you tap into your intuitive insights or to call on your spiritual team. Amethyst is also a very high vibrational stone, so it's very naturally protective. And if you're someone who gets messages in their dreams, this is a really great stone to meditate with on your third eye chakra right here before bed to get those messages pumping in your dreams. You are creative, independent, and idealistic, sometimes a little too optimistic. You have a unique perspective on the world and a strong desire to make a difference. February babies are usually free-spirited and pretty open-minded. Pisces and early Aries. Aquamarine is your oceanic bestie. You are emotional but strong, sensitive but powerful. Aquamarine is going to help you channel those emotions and help you communicate them effectively. Aquamarine will also help you understand those emotions so you can use them to your advantage. You can wear aquamarine as a necklace or just carry it with you to help you speak your truth and emotions with grace, especially in arguments or conflicts. Work with it on your throat chakra to remain clear and concise. Now we have April babies. You are the powerhouse. Diamonds reflect your clarity, your sparkle, and your strength. But if you're a crystal girly like me, Herkimer diamonds are a more affordable option than a diamond. And as a bonus crystal, we also have white topaz as your birthstone. Meditate with diamonds, white topaz, or Herkimer diamonds to amplify your manifestations, especially when you're starting something new. Taurus and early Geminis, you guys are emerald. Heart-centered, abundant, and luxe. You're sensual, loyal, and you value deep, true love. Keep emerald near your heart chakra to attract relationships that align with you. And definitely keep it with you if you're journaling to attract more love or money. Okay, my Gemini and Cancer signs, you guys are moonstone and pearl, depending on your vibe. You're intuitive, changeable, and emotionally really deep. You also may fall on the more feminine side or emotional side, especially for my Cancer babies. You guys are deeply empathic. Moonstone and pearls help you connect with that energy and harness it so it doesn't create a leak. Sometimes empaths can struggle with separating other people's emotions from their own, and these crystals will really help you do that. Place moonstone on your sacral chakra during full moons to enhance your feminine energy. And for pearls, you can wear them to remain balanced in emotional settings, especially if you're a socialite but you feel like it drains you a little bit. Pearls will protect you from that. And they also look so luxurious. Make sure you're getting them from an ethical source. For our Cancer queens, we have Cancer and Leo for the month of July. And you guys have the stone of Ruby. Ruby is here to hype you up. She is that girl. You are bold, loving, and fiercely loyal. You can be super confident and sometimes overly confident, so be careful. Check your ego at the door. Especially for my Cancers, Ruby is useful because it can call in more confidence and reassurance. And sometimes you guys really need a little hug, a little pat on the back, tell you that you're good enough and that you got this. Now, it's very rare that Leos are low on energy, but if you feel that you are, Ruby is right there to pick you back up. More on Leos, but especially Virgos, we have the month of August. I'm an August baby, I'm a Virgo, I'm an Aries rising, and a Capricorn moon. Please let me know what your guys' signs are down below because I'd love to see if we mix and match. I wear peridot every day on my thumb, and peridot is a very beautiful stone. I love this stone. We do actually have peridot necklaces on the website. Some of the stuff is actually available on the website right now. You can check that out down below or head over straight to my website. Peridot is your cosmic glow stick. You are bright, helpful, intelligent, and sometimes a little picky. And that's just because you're a perfectionist. Work with peridot when you need to release guilt or jealousy or envy. This is a stone of total fresh starts, and it's also a great stone for manifesting wealth. and abundance. Okay, September babies, Virgos again, and Libras. Sapphire is for your wise soul. You are intellectual, calm, and low-key psychic. Place sapphire near your third eye chakra when meditating to boost your intuition and your focus. It's amazing for deep thinkers and overthinkers alike. Okay, my October babies actually have 2 birthstones. So we have opal or tourmaline. For Libras and early Scorpios, October is all about transformation. Opal enhances your creativity while pink tourmaline keeps your heart safe. Use opal when you're trying to muster up a creative idea, a business plan, or some goals. It's also perfect for shadow work, journaling, coloring, being creative in any way. Opal is going to be your best friend for that. And tourmaline is perfect for my fellow empaths. Keep it close to you. Like I said before, especially during social events, it can feel very draining, but if you have pink tourmaline or any form of tourmaline, it's very protective. Scorpio and Sagittarius babes, you guys are a little bit chaotic. However, you can use that chaotic energy to channel a lot of good things into your life. Your birthstones are citrine or topaz. Once again, whatever your vibe is. You are deep, driven, and like I said, very chaotic. But when you're aligned, you can attract a lot of luck into your life. So to do that, work with citrine to draw in more confidence and assist you with your manifestations. Use topaz to attract truth and clarity, especially in relationships. And December babies, you guys actually have 3 birthstones to choose from. We have turquoise, zircon, and tanzanite. Tanzanite being one of my favorites. So for my Capricorns and Sagittarius babies born in December, your stones are all about wisdom and communication. Meditate with turquoise or tanzanite when you're seeking guidance, or when you need to speak clearly, or just you need more trust and faith in your path. Your birthstone isn't just a pretty gem, it's a cosmic tool especially for you. Wear it, work with it, meditate with it, manifest with it, whatever resonates with you. If you guys want a video on how to cleanse and charge your crystals, especially your birthstones, or how to incorporate that into your daily life, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like if you enjoyed watching it. Let me know any other videos you guys would want to see in the future, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you, bye!